For our example 1, this is a continuation of the video from the variable separable. I'll leave a link in the description box for the first video which we make. Now, solve dy dx is equals to e 3x minus 2y plus x squared exponential raised to negative 2y. From the equation which you see here, we have dy dx is equals to exponential raised to 3x minus 2y plus x squared exponential raised to the negative 2i. The exponential term here is a common term, so we can take dy dx is equals to exponential raised to negative 2y into x squared plus e to the 3x. We can take exponential negative raised to negative 2y into x squared plus e raised to the 3x. If you break the brackets, you will be able to go back to this equation. Now, from the equation that we have variables which contain y and we have variables which contain x. Now we are supposed to separate the variables. Now, separating the variables, we'll multiply both sides by dx. Since it is dy dx is equals to e negative 2y into e 3x plus x squared, we are going to multiply both sides by dx, this side also by dx, so that dx and dx cancels. Now we have dy is equals to e negative 2y into e raised to 3x plus x squared dx. We'll remove the part that contains exponential e to the 2y and take it to the left hand side. These ones will cancel, so we will have dy over e raised to negative 2y is equals to e raised to 3x plus x squared dx. And I said in our last video that after this you take the integrals of the parts. We take the integral of the left side and the integral of the right hand side. Now we know that if this one, like e, is raised to negative 2y, we can take it to the numerator so that it becomes a positive. So it will be e raised to 2y dy is equals to the integral of e raised to 3x plus x squared dx. Now we are going to take the integral of this equation here. If we take the integral of e raised to 2y dy, we are going to get e raised to 2y over 2 is equals to, if we take the integral of e raised to 3x, we are going to get e raised to 3x over 3. We are going to get e raised to 3x over 3 plus, if we take the integral of x squared, we are going to add 1 to the power and divide it by the same power. So x squared, if we add 1 to 2, it is 3, and this is all going to be all over 3. So the integral of x squared is x cubed over 3 plus c. So e 2y over 2 is equals to, you can see 3 is a common factor here. We can factorize 3 outside. A third into e 3x plus x cubed plus c. And that's the final answer after separating the variables.